Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will find derivative of y with respect to x if we have a given equation x to the power y plus y to the power x is equal to 1. Given equation has two terms in the left hand side. Both the terms are in the exponent form. X to the power y, here y is exponent and here x is exponent. Base and index, both are variables. We will solve each term separately by using log method. So let's start its solution. First of all, we will let that this term x to the power y is equal to u and y to the power x is equal to v. So our given equation will become u plus v is equal to 1. Now consider its first part, which is u is equal to x to the power y. To make the function simple, we will take log on both sides. So taking log on both sides, it will become log of u is equal to log of x to the power y. Law of exponential of log, we know that log of a to the power n is equal to n log of a. So it will become log of u is equal to y times log of x. Now we will differentiate it with respect to x. So d by d of x log of u is equal to d by d of x log of x. Sorry, y times log of x. So derivative of log of u will be, as we know that log of x and its derivative is equal to 1 divided by x. So it will become 1 divided by u and du divided by d of x is equal to, here we will apply product rule in which first term as it is and the derivative of second term plus now second term as it is and the derivative of y. So it will become 1 divided by u du divided by d of x is equal to y times d divided by d of x log of x will be equal to 1 divided by x plus log of x derivative of y will be dy divided by dx. Now we will multiply both sides with u. So multiplying u with whole, so it will be cancelled out and it will become dy divided by dx is equal to u times, it will become y divided by x plus log of x dy divided by dx. Okay, as we know that u is equal to x to the power y, so it will become dy divided by d of x is equal to x to the power y times y divided by x plus log of x dy by dx. Now we will consider its second part, which is v is equal to y to the power x. Same steps we will apply here. First of all, we will apply log on both sides, so it will become log of v is equal to x times log of y. Now we will take derivative d divided by d of x log of v is equal to d divided by d of x times log of y. So it will become 1 divided by v dv divided by dx is equal to, x will remain same, and it will become 1 divided by y dy divided by dx. Now log of y will be same, and the derivative of x will be equal to 1. Okay. Now we will multiply whole equation with v. So it will be cancel out. It will become dv divided by dx is equal to v times x divided by y dy by dx plus log of y. And we know that v is equal to y to the power x. So it will become dv divided by dx is equal to y to the power x divided by y dy divided by dx plus log of y. Okay, now here we have equation u plus v is equal to 1. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, so it will become du divided by dx plus dv divided by dx is equal to derivative of any constant is equal to 0. So it will be equal to 0. Now we'll substitute the values of du divided by dx plus dv divided by dx. So, sorry, it is du divided by dx. So the value of du divided by dx is x to the power y and its whole y divided by x plus log of x dy divided by dx plus dv divided by dx is equal to y to the power x times x divided by y dy divided by dx plus log of y is equal to 0. Now we will multiply this x to the power y inside the bracket, so it will be equal to y times x to the power y divided by x plus x to the power y log of x dy divided by dx plus it will become x times y to the power x divided by y plus y to the power x dy by dx also y to the power x times log of y is equal to 0. Now we will combine these two terms in which dy divided by dx is common. So it will become x to the power y log of x plus x y to the power x divided by y dy divided by dx. And we will take remaining terms to the right hand side, so it will become minus y times x to the power y divided by x minus y to the power x log of y. Okay, as we know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this term will become x y to the power x minus 1 times dy divided by dx is equal to, similarly, it will become minus y times x to the power y minus 1 minus y to the power x log of y. Now we have to find the value of dy divided by dx. So we'll take this term to the right hand side. So it will become dy divided by dx is equal to minus y x to the power y minus 1 minus y to the power x log of y divided by x to the power y log of x plus x y to the power x minus y. So it is our final answer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.